was trying to drive on two wheels, not full right. Oh well.
You almost put your arm out and snapped it right off.
I saw that. That's alright.
Oh man. Oh, and I didn't get that on camera. He just launched it off the jump back here, and then he hit that one over there, and then all you saw was the tire walk away on its own into the distance. Nice one. So this is where launch pad took off, and I'm guessing this big old gouge right here is where you landed. And then, so much for planting stuff there, eh?
Yeah, I was just sitting there and put my wheat back.
Oh jeez. So I'm not an expert on four-wheeled vehicles, but something's missing here.
It's a three-wheeler.
It's a three-wheeler?
It's our latest project, and it's the one we did the quickest.
You're hired.
You want to go by your nature videos? We scared off one of the back wheels. I saw it run through the bush.
It's like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm out of here.
No, it just ran like a deer straight into the bush.
I saw something bouncing this way.
Oh, good. It didn't go too far.
Oh, there it is. Jesus, that's the same thing that the red one did.
Yeah. Oh, it's a matter of time.
Well, the red one seems to be holding up so far, so I guess we'll just do the same thing.
All right, one-wheeler?
Yeah, let's see what your circus skills are like. What a clown. All right, well, I guess we're down to one again. Oh, jeez. Look at the dirt caked into the front wheel there. Yeah, a little bit of sand for the sandbox. Well, at least that's all that happened. I mean, you rolled her a few times.
Yeah.
You know, an axle's not the biggest
No.
deal.
No, and I guess that was the outside, or no, it wasn't the outside wheel for some of it. Around that corner it was.
Yeah.
I was up on two wheels a bunch of times down there too. It was just a matter of time.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Looks like it may have been cracked there for a while, because she's a little bit rusty in there, and then this is all nice and shiny, so
Yeah.
maybe. We were on borrowed time anyway.
Yeah.
Well, fix it again. Yeehaw. Well, we got some good footage anyway. So this one's broken now at a commish. We got to fix. Next one. It just dawned on me that Ian just broke that one, and that was my ride. So I guess I'm walking home. Thanks, buddy. Well, Ian's a pretty good friend. He's not gonna let me walk back, so I'm just gonna piggyback on the back of the red one. He'll drive me back over to the house.
Free of charge.
I like that. Free 99.
Well, actually, the deal is you fix the other one.
Always do. No popping any wheelies with me on here, eh?
Well, actually, I got.
Where's that ding dong going? What's he gotta go pee? I think that's where he hides his cookies.
This is the air filter cover from the last time we flipped it up there. It's been there all summer.
He's got a memory like an elephant. Can't forget the put it on, but just not gonna forget it. All right, pal. There we go.
Oh, do the 2 wheels things, just lean out.
Hey, just drive, boy. We're gonna use the Viking and the old jib crane like we did for the red cart and go pick up Launchpad's casualty this time.
What's this all about?
That's what you're... See that right there? Wait, let me make sure we get that. This might be Ian's first time ever seeing something like that. This is what you're not supposed to do.
Yeah, that's totally bad. That's what I was trying to do. Oh, I'm starting to get it.
Let's go rescue this thing. Alright, so we're making our way over to Ian's place to do a little pickup. As you can see, Ian's got some nice stuff planted. Some bushes, some flowers, but there's something unique planted down at the end of the row here, I think. It's a nice color. Oh, those are nice, beautiful. Look at that, Canadian grown. But I think there's something Chinese growing in the end of the row here.
I just planted it today. It's already in color.
Oh yeah, just waiting for the one rear tire to bloom, I guess, eh? Look at that poor fella. Well, what do you got to say for yourself?
I'm sorry. Sorry for the plants, actually, more than anything.
Just because COVID closed down all the amusement parks, you just wanted something that flips round and round?
Oh, my dad, I drove through the plants.
Don't tell. Well, I think he's going to see the skid marks going right through. Don't tell him. How old are you? 42 years old. Don't tell my dad.
That's just a secret, actually, the 42 thing.
Oh, yeah. The 42 going on 24. Don't tell my dad, he says. Now, I've met your dad, and he's not a dummy. I'm pretty sure he's going to be like, well, ain't no raccoon did this.
I'll see if I can fix it right now for you.
Oh, look at Hercules. Yeah, a little more. Oh, yeah. Good for the back.
I don't know if that won't work.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's only 5 horsepower. We can't use all 13 horse. If you...
Like, that's how I would do it.
Yeah.
I don't know how you would do it.
And then it would stay exactly right here if you did.
Angle it right.
Oh, jeez. I guess, well, I got to drive over all this to hook her up and pull her out of there. So I guess neither one of us will tell your dad. Alright, let's get the jib crane on. And alright, we got her moved out of the way there, so let's sling her up there in and lift her up. Might want to maybe grab it around the corner post so we're just grabbing the weight of that corner, and that way it'll keep the wheel up in the air. Yeah, there you go. Let's deja vu. I remember doing this about a month or so ago with the red one. Look at that.
That kind of sucks. That means it's been a month since we drove them.
Well, you know, life happens too, right? We do unfortunately have day jobs.
Yeah.
So what's the plan gonna be? You wanna put her in reback and back out of here, or go straight up through there? Is there a ditch and stuff we gotta go through up there? Are we gonna have another escapade here?
No, we can try it on the driveway.
Alright, let's
Give it a try anyways.
we should.
Then we use the tractor.
Oh, the Viking will get her done. The Caprice isn't the only thing I own with a one-wheel peel. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, you can keep looking forward. If you look really close from here, you can see the bald eagle.
Yeah, follow me, I'll take you back to the shop.
Where are you going? Now, I remember doing this with JP, and he didn't have any issue keeping it straight. Hey.
Well, as far as JP keeping it straight, there's a boring way to do everything.
Ooh, you know he's part of this channel. He's gonna hear that.
Try that, it's fun on the way back.
Might as well grab a jack stand or something. I can just control her right here. Almost sent her off into the rhubarb a few times.
See how far we can push it. And up.
Could you have found a bigger jack stand? All right, so I got the back wheel back on there, just basically knocked that broken piece out of the hub, jammed it on there, smacked her with a sledgehammer, made sure it was seated nice and tight, and just welded the crap out of the front and back of it. Might be true, might not, might have a good vibration as we're ripping around, but that just makes it feel good as you're driving, so we'll see. Launchpad's pretty good at testing the durability of these things, and if it lasts, it lasts. If it won't, it won't. But I got a good feeling it will, because the go-kart gods, I think, have selected this as the chosen one. Oh yeah, buddy! Let's rock and roll. Let's see how long it lasts before Launchpad destroys it again. I think this one stands a good chance now. All right, well, the saga continues. McLean ski. I don't know if we're getting a good shot or getting bad sunlight there, but we drove it around, we fixed the wheel, drove it around, and then parked it for a little bit. You know, regular life things came up, work and such. So we were gonna add a little more footage to the video, and it wouldn't start. So I thought maybe it was just a little bit of water in the fuel, clean the carburetor, drain some gas out of it, still wouldn't go. Decided, well, hook up the compression tester on her and check that. So why don't you, yeah, wide open, give her some tugs there. There's one tug, 2 tugs, 3 tugs, 4, 5. All right, that's it. After 5 pulls of wide open throttle, yeah, we're at 40 psi. Minimum standard, 90 to even run. So unfortunately, my friend, this one's dead. On the bright side, that means we could do pretty much whatever we want to that motor.
I knew that space was
Oh, or
I was waiting for it.
yeah, or we could put something else in
Yeah.
there.
That's what I was waiting to hear.
Yeah. So I mean, there's a silver lining to everything, right? So stay tuned. All right, well, thanks for tuning in to this episode. Unfortunately, we were hoping to get some good full send video of Launchpad destroying this thing, but it's got no compression, you know. Unfortunately, I know engines don't just grenade from sitting, so I believe what happened is we've had some pretty good rainstorms while this thing's been sitting out in the field, and I think water just made its way in the exhaust into the engine and rusted those piston rings to the piston, so that's why we got no compression. I took the spark plug out, loaded it up with penetrating oil, so we'll let her soak. Maybe they'll free up, maybe they won't. If they don't, we'll tear her down, do a performance build on this Honda. Or, hey, we got some options. We can put a different motor in here. I got a 350 Warrior 4-wheeler motor. Might be cool. It'd get gears in reverse if we do that. Or I got a 600 Suzuki street bike motor. Put that in. Might be a little much for this little buggy, but hey, why not? Lots of power in a little buggy. I like that. But as always, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're not, you know, it helps us out, keeps us going. We like making these videos, and if you do, turn the notification bell on, leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what do you think we should do? Fix this one or swap it out for something else? Take it easy.